If you are considering an idle mitigation system, IMS, for your emergency vehicle, look no further than ZeroRPM. ZeroRPM IMS is installed during production of the vehicle and is fully integrated with your chassis. The system is designed to control the vehicle's chassis engine and reduce idling. The IMS will maintain a comfortable work environment in the cab and maintain electrical power required for lighting, radios, and other crucial components, all while the vehicle engine is off. The IMS provides an interface between the equipment and the vehicle while providing the operator with necessary information. Vehicle startup is made possible by the onboard lead-acid chassis battery. When the ignition switch has been turned on and the vehicle is started, the IMS will power on and the ZeroRPM initialization screen will appear. The display will show the green engine running icon, verifying the engine is running. Upon arrival on scene, you will put the vehicle in park. The IMS will start a 5-second timer. Once the timer is up, the engine will cut off and the IMS will bypass the engine and the ZeroRPM logo will be displayed. The IMS will now power the entire vehicle and will be ready to heat or cool. When in AC mode, the snowflake icon will appear on the screen. You can control the AC normally through the factory controls. Heat is handled the same way, except a flame icon will appear on screen. All climate control is distributed through factory vents. Once the IMS is engaged and the engine is off, your chassis battery will replenish to a full state of charge. Your electrical system will be running solely from the lithium-ion battery. The runtime of the lithium-ion battery is dependent on the amperage drawn from the system. If the state of charge, SOC, of the IMS batteries, or the chassis batteries, becomes lower than the predetermined low battery set points at any time during operation, the engine starting for low battery icon will be displayed, and the 5-second counter will begin counting down. The chassis engine will turn on to replenish the battery's energy via the onboard alternator. If you see a white lightning bolt, that indicates your battery is charging. If equipped, Zero Key Mode allows the operator to remove the key from the ignition and to secure the vehicle by locking the doors, all while the HVAC and the vehicle's electrical components continue to function. To leave the vehicle while in operation, press the Zero Key button. Take the key out of the ignition and lock the vehicle. Upon return, turn the key to the run function and the Zero Key will be disabled. To start the engine again, simply depress and hold the brake pedal, turn the key to the on position, or press the start switch, depending on which option your vehicle has. You can then place the vehicle in drive and head to the next call or back to the station. Upon arrival back at the station, the vehicle's onboard batteries, both lead-acid and lithium-ion, will be replenished via shore power outlet connection. The ZeroRPM IMS can be equipped with Intellimetrics data tracking so you can view real-time information on your vehicle's fuel saving and emissions reduction. Invest in ZeroRPM idle mitigation and join the Zero Idle family.